Wow, it's raining today and I have an appointment. I don't even know where I'm going for the appointment. The weather is not friendly and I have to go with my kids, coupled with I don't know where I'm going to. All the same, I must go for the appointment. Guys, Elisan here. Thank you for stopping by. Please stay tuned because I'm here for you. It's a very bright morning today, and you're gonna spend my day with me. Please, guys, if today is your first time of coming across my video, please click the subscribe button. You will like my videos, okay? Even if you don't like this one, don't worry, you'll like the next one. I'm just getting ready for the appointments. I've already ventilated my living room over to my kitchen to arrange breakfast for the kids. That's what I'm doing now, guys. We are done with the breakfast at this point. I'm trying to dress this little man that gives me stress always. So that is it. After which we'll just be on our way, guys. Okay, we are done on our way. See you there. The appointment is for my little girl that is entering primary one, and this is what they required, just a hearing test, just to confirm that everything is okay since she's about to enter primary one. So that's what they are doing here. The doctor trying to test and test and test, and Destiny is there trying to peep. He wanted to stand, and I have shown him to just come on, sit down there. Yeah, this is another stage after the other way, so we're waiting. We're done from the appointment. I just entered H&M because I'm waiting for my sister. We're supposed to go have lunch together. So with that, I decide to just look around to see if I will see what I like. I didn't see anything. Finally, I have to pick some things for my kids. Do you see that guy? That my little man, that guy is something else. So I tried to pick out some bodies for him because he's lacking this one, especially this winter. So I look at his action. Just look at him. He doesn't want it. He just wants to go play at the escalator, but it won't happen. So that we are heading towards the castle to just go pay for what I picked. Getting there, I have to cite something for my girl. Anytime you enter shop and see girl stuff, it's so attracting. I have to go pick out that, and she have to test it to see how it is. It looks good on her. So that's our school. Oh, I head to the castle. We're right here in KFC. We bought what we want. We bought chicken wings, burgers, cola. Everybody just picked what they wanted. So we're eating because we met with my sister. Like I said, we're waiting for her. Look at her there, madam. So we're eating. Something happened. There is something I bought for my son in H&M, bodies, like winter bodies. I couldn't find it again when I wanted to show my sister the things we bought. It was so painful. All the same, no problem. That is it, guys, for this video. Thank you for spending my day with me. After eating, we head home and do some other things which I didn't record on this video. Thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe if you watched to this point, and let's stay connected.